friends, I have just arrived at Ahmedabad Junction and one thing immediately caught my attention. Gujarati language is visible everywhere. On the station board, on signboards, on food stalls, even on cleanliness instructions. Look carefully, this is the real identity of Gujarat. Gujarati language is everywhere. It carries culture, history and emotion. Here you can see Delhi ki mashhoor Pudina Sikanji written in Gujarat style, and here keep your station clean.
Come back to learn a fluent English through direct method. My dear students, here I am in Ahmedabad today and I am taking here the first batch. All the students are very much excited and they want to improve their English communication. Direct method is the direct method is the direct method is the thank you very much.
As I moved towards the old areas of Ahmedabad, the atmosphere completely changed. Modern buildings slowly disappeared, and the old Ahmedabad started to its narrow streets, traditional houses, and crowded markets. These roads are not just roads; they are living history. Every corner here carries memories of business, culture, generations of hardworking people. Old buildings, modern structures, small shops and traditional architecture create a completely different feeling. You can feel that old Ahmedabad still protects its roots very strongly. Even the language, signboards, local conversation give a deep culture connection. Now written something in Gujarati about the Buddhist state. Even the language, signboards and local conversation give a culture connection. People here move fast, but tradition still moves with them. That's what makes old Ahmedabad special. Modern progress and with the traditional icons. While walking through these streets, I felt as if I was traveling not only through a city but also through a time. Ahmedabad is one of the most important cities of Western India and it is very well connected with the rest of the country. Ahmedabad Junction railway station remains busy almost all the time. Trains from many major cities of India arrive here daily for travelers, students, businessmen and tourists. At the same time, Ahmedabad is also connected through airways with many important cities of India and even international destinations. The airport reflects the fast development and growing importance of the city. This strong transport connectivity is one of the reasons why Ahmedabad has become a major center of business, education and tourism. Hotels are easily available if your budget is around 1200 rupees to 1500 in Ahmedabad, especially near the railway station or old city area. These are some decent options. Hotel Sheraton, very close to the railway station and popular among travelers. Friends, now I have reached the famous Swaminarayan Akshardham near Ahmedabad. The atmosphere here feels completely peaceful and spiritual. As soon as you enter this place, you can feel a different kind of journey, calmness, discipline, and devotion everywhere. The architecture of Akshardham temple is truly magnificent. The detailed carvings, the grand structure, and the beautiful surroundings show the richness of Indian culture and spirituality. The thousands of visitors come here every year to experience peace and positivity. Why it is everywhere available. And now that everything is organized very systematically. In India's fast growing world, places like Akshardham remind us to slow down for a moment and connect with inner peace. This is not just a temple, it is an experience of Indian culture, Indian tradition, and spiritually together. Friends, now I have entered the historic Sabarmati Ashram, also known as Gandhi Ashram. The moment I stepped inside, I felt a deep silence and simplicity in the atmosphere. This is the place from where Mahatma Gandhi gave many important messages to the nation: truth, simplicity, self discipline, and non violence. Walking through this ashram feels like walking through the passages of Indian history. The simple rooms, old photographs, handwritten letters, and personal belongings of Gandhiji remind us how a simple man changed the direction of an entire nation. What is most inspiring here is the simplicity. Despite leading one of the greatest freedom movements in history, Gandhiji chose a very simple lifestyle. This place teaches us that true power doesn't always come from money or position. Sometimes it comes from character, discipline, and strong principles. Friends, now I am enjoying this beautiful toy train ride. The moment the train started moving, it brought back childhood memories. Sometimes small things give the biggest happiness, and this toy train is the one of them. Now I am in front of Sabarmati riverfront. This place is one of the most modern and attractive locations in Ahmedabad. The view here is truly impressive. A wide river, clean surroundings, walking tracks, cool breeze, and a very beautiful atmosphere. What I liked most is the excellent planning and cleanliness of this riverfront. It shows how a city can transform a river area into a beautiful public space. People from all walks of life come here for morning walks, cycling, relaxation, and to spend quality time with family and friends. During the evening, the atmosphere becomes even more beautiful with lights and cool air from the river. Standing here, you can feel both modern development and natural beauty together. Sabarmati River front is not just a tourist place, it is a symbol of modern Ahmedabad. Now, friends, we are moving ahead and we are going to have a good feeling here in other parts of Ahmedabad city. You know that Ahmedabad is very modern city and well cultured. It's old city and tradition is completely Gujarati. Most people speak Gujarati and Hindi also, and sometimes officially they speak English language.